More than 4 years after journalist activist Gauri Lankesh was shot dead by motorcycle-borne men outside her house, the trial in the case is set to start from May 27th, the prosecution lawyer said. The hearing of the case has not started yet. It will start from May 27th, senior advocate S. Balan told PTI. According to him, more than 60 lawyers were engaged initially by the accused and their petitions delayed commencement of the trial. Balan said 17 accused, including the alleged kingpin Amol Kale, shooter Wagamore, and the motorcycle rider Ganesh Mishkin, would face the trial, while one more accused is at large. Gauri's sister Kavita Lankesh expressed her happiness over the beginning of the trial. Till now, hearing was going on related to bail applications. Now we are happy that the trial is beginning, she said. On Teachers' Day, September 5, 2017, Gauri, a left-leaning journalist, was shot dead outside her house. The assailants were reportedly inspired by Shastra Dharma Sadhana, an 86-page book by Santana Shansta.